Need to change your region or country in Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily. Press the Win plus I keys simultaneously on your PC to launch the Settings app. In the Settings window, go to the left side of the pane and click on the Time and Language option. Now, navigate to the right side of the window and click on Language and Region. Next, in the Language and Region Settings window, on the right side, scroll down and under the Region section, go to the Country or Region field. Here, select the correct country or the region from the drop-down next to it. The Regional Format field is automatically set as per the country or region selected. But in situations where there are more than one data formats, for a specific country or region, for instance, for the US or for India, you can also select the regional format along with the country or region. You can exit the Settings app, and you have now successfully changed the country or region in your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.